everyone. Yeah. Being a cool hard guy, so go having a year. Be our cut away little story about my mate, much or war. I will live and go for a card here. Kiro, put all of our story.
Kasi ya sungo fo kan makeki farolo kan makeki de semer suka si de kaya ai ku ya Victoria mang kasi ako e fisikar lang kasi ngi okiri i ama yala okiri fasang nga fo ila pikor nga ku ai mo fasang di siku mo de kam ja ala kulang kasi ngi nga verang card ai ku Victoria di sai ya oke idang ano ke ku ngo fasang di kai mero fasang fikat pas and I saw Victoria at the front of the shop and I say psst, psst, psst. He faced it to me and he said, what the hell? Yeah, I wish I would lie. What's your number? And she said, what? And I said, what's your number? And she said, well, I'm gonna tell my number to you. Yeah, for you, but I don't know what's your number. And còn lúc cậu mới vào việc cậu mà mà cái miếng vào việc cậu bao nhiêu mấy lại cố first number mang của ngon là mình được mang của yeah ok phải xí được rồi số mấy lần cá sinh nữa phải lần cá rồi này phải mà mình cậu à của mình mấy lần cũng xí đã lựa cá lựa kết phong mình ngang cái miếng ấy sẽ có mình phải rồi cái check gì because I really love her and I really like her. Yeah, really, and I called. I thought her cousins was on the phone that time. I called and she answered and I said, oh, can I talk to the other girl? And she said, who's girl? The pink one, the pink t-shirts. And she said, oh, it's me. Oh, and I said, oh, hi, it's me, Siaosi'S. I'm at the shop. Helps you buy your credit or card in Samoa. And she said, oh, hi. And I said, oh, and I talked to you. And she said, oh, can you text me later because I'm busy right now? And I said, oh, thanks. And I came in that way, and with that time, I'll still text her. Cái những ngôn gọi con mà cái mang của như mà ya la cái ya lo phải xong mà phao ở cái đang lo phải qua là cùng inside the market. She's working with her cousin inside the market. Oh my god, and she come and she said, oh, can you please show me the toilet? And I think, oh, maybe he's coming back to me. She wants me. That time, I thought she wants me that time. And I said, oh, okay, I'll show you. And we walked to the way to the toilet, to the bathroom. And I still talk to her, oh, you look so beautiful. You look so nice and so cool. That time. And she's laughing, just only laughing. Nothing to talk to me. And she only laughing. Maybe she's shy to me. When her cousin go inside the toilet and I talk to her, oh, you look so beautiful. Do you have a boyfriend? And she said, oh yeah, I have a boyfriend in Australia. And I think, oh, what the hell? Why she give me her number? Why she give me her number? And I asked, where you come from? Where do you live right now in Samoa? How old are you? And how long you been here in Samoa? That's all my questions I asked to her. And the most thing I asked, I really want her. That's the most thing I asked. And I said, oh, can we spend time here with me? And she said, oh, we're calling right now because we have planned at home. Because she has the last day today and she leaving the other day, next day, and she said to me, "Oh, you go back to look after your shop. Maybe someone come and stole something inside." And I said, "Oh, don't worry about my shop. Worry about me, girl. Worry about me. I talk to you. I really want you." And she laughing. She's laughing. What the hell? Why are you laughing and you didn't ask my question? I really want you. At that time, I walk back and she's going with her cousin to the bus stop. And I didn't remember that time. I thought it's not the real friend or real girl for me. And I was sitting inside the market, just texting all the time. And I called her when she at home, and she said, "Oh, I'm going to the swimming pool," or yeah, at her village. And I said, "Oh, okay, I'll call you back after the swimming pool." And she said, "Oh, okay." When I still text her, to be honest, I still text her and call her that time one day, and I still want her. That's all I'm doing that day, texting, call. When she come back from the swimming pool, and I'll call her, and she give it to her cousin to pretend it's her on the phone, and I'll talk to her. "Oh, how's the swimming pool? How's the river or the Waika area?" And she said, "Oh, this is cool. It's so nice and cold." And I said, "Oh, it's cool." And I heard her voice is different from Victoria. And I said, "Oh, it's not Victoria. Can I talk to Victoria?" And she said, I'm Victoria. And I said, "Oh, I can hear your voice. It's different from Victoria, and your talking is different." And she said, "Oh, okay." The reason I call so many times because I really want to. I tell you the truth. I really want her. And I still called, and she said, "Oh, can you call me tonight? I'm busy to have some fun with my family and have a meeting, family Kalawanga, for the last day of her." And I said, "Oh, okay. Maybe at 7 o'clock the evening," and I'll call back. And then she said, "Oh, can you call me after and tell her, oh, are you ready? I'm coming to visit you and have a talk." And she said, "Oh, can you call me back? I have a Kalawanga with my family." And she said, "Oh, I'll call you back after Kalawanga." And I said, "Okay, you call me. You better call me, girl. You better call me." And I said, "Okay." And I'm waiting so long, watching TV, just looking my phone, watching TV, looking my phone, watching TV, looking my phone all the time. She didn't call me that time. And maybe at 12 o'clock, and she called me. And I talked to her. "Oh, hi. How's the Kalawanga?" And she said, "Oh, it's good. I miss my family." She's so lying that time to me. That time I want to go to buy a cash power for my house, and then I said, "Oh, can you please?
Hey, baby!
Can you please wait for a minute? Because I'm going to buy some cash power."
Hi, guys!
Buy some cash.
I just got home from work. Sorry for interrupting.
It's so interrupting. And I saw so many missed calls on my phone from her, and I said, "Oh, she wants me. That's why she so many missed calls." And I said, "Oh, I'm sorry. I want to talk to her now." And I tried to call her that time. Maybe she get ready to go to the hospital or to the airport. No, she called, "Oh, hi. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Because I'm so tired, but I'm so busy. I'm going to the hospital. I think it's about going to the hospital, and I'm so tired at 3 o'clock and at 2 o'clock, and I get sleep." The last word I tell her, I said, "Oh, I love you so much." And she said, "I love you said, really? She said, oh, she loved me too. And I said, oh, I'll text you when I'll be in Sydney. And I said, okay. That time I'm still waiting. I'm not think she called me back or text me back because she called me back to Australia. Maybe she come back to her boyfriend in Australia. She arrived in Sydney. She called me straight. And I said, oh, okay. This is how you want me. This is how you want me. And I said, oh, hi. How are you? Good. Thanks for you arrived safely. She said, oh yeah, thanks. I'll call you back. Thanks, buddy. That's my story. And every day and every month, still texting and calling. That's what we do. And now, we get married. Thanks, buddy. Thanks, everyone. Thanks for liking and vlogging. We love you so much. Bye, everyone.
Fuck.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it,
If you like it, subscribe.
if you like, subscribe.